Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm launching a new prize draw. This time it's for the very latest model kit offering from Kotare. This is the Messerschmitt Bf-109K in 1/32 scale. Now this kit has literally just been released and is already selling out around the world. Kotare made their reputation with some outstanding models of the Spitfire. Now it's the turn of the German equivalent. The kit contains 139 plastic parts, which will be 27.5 centimetres long and 31 centimetres in span when complete. And it has decals for 3 colour schemes, one of which is for a captured aircraft. There's also a large instruction booklet in full colour, lavishly appended with photos and research notes to help you make the best Bf-109 on the market. But don't be put off by the detail. Kotare is known for making amazing kits, but ones which are also very buildable. This Bf-109 is retailing at around £85 or so in the UK, but you could win your own for as little as £1. What you have to do is go to the site linked here. This is also in the information box below. Make sure you're registered with them, answer a simple question using your skill and judgment, and if you get it right, and you probably will, you can buy tickets for the prize draw. Tickets cost £1 each. There are multi-buy offers available should you wish to buy more. The draw will close at midnight at the end of the 16th of August 2025 UK time, after which time a computer at my partner company Raffle will independently and at random draw the winning ticket. Now if you've won, I will contact you by email to arrange shipping, so make sure your email address is correct when you register. I will send the kit to you entirely at my own expense, no matter where you are in the world. Best of all, at the same time as the draw is made, Raffle will send automatically 10% of the revenue direct to Models for Heroes. This excellent charity uses model making as a therapy and diversion activity to help former and current members of the Armed Forces and Blue Light Emergency Services who are dealing with mental health issues as a result of their service to our country. There's a link to this excellent charity in the box below where you can discover other ways to support them. So that's it. Best of luck if you enter the draw for this amazing kit. Thanks so much for watching today, and goodbye.